Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we're going to learn the colors in Spanish and English. We draw a spot of paint. Paint in Spanish is PINTURA. We are going to make more. We use red. Red in Spanish is rojo. Let's go with orange. That in Spanish is said naranja. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is amarillo. Let's go with the blue color. That is said azul. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is verde. We use pink, that in Spanish is said rosa. Let's go with the violet color, that is said violeta. Let's go with the brown. Burn in Spanish is said MARRÓN. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!